We continue to look at section B of the rules, the general limitations, and in this episode we're going to have a look at rule 17. On the same tack, proper course. If a boat clear astern becomes overlapped within 2 of her hull lengths to leeward of a boat on the same tack, she shall not sail above her proper course while they remain on the same tack and overlapped within that distance, unless in doing so she promptly sails astern of the other boat. This rule does not apply if the overlap begins while the windward boat is required by Rule 13 to keep clear. So to understand a bit more of this, we have to look at the definition of proper course. That says, a course a boat would sail to finish as soon as possible in the absence of the other boats referred to in the rule using this term. A boat has no proper course before her starting signal. So let's look at how this rule works. Here, the proper course for blue is to sail to the mark. Blue begins clear astern and becomes overlapped within 2 of her hull lengths to leeward. Yellow is a windward boat and must keep clear, and she fails to do that under Rule 11. Blue, however, must not sail above her proper course, and in doing so, she breaks Rule 17. As we've already said, Blue's proper course was to sail to the mark. In this diagram, Blue's proper course is still to sail to the mark. She becomes overlapped from clear astern and within 2 of her hull lengths to leeward. Yellow must keep clear as a windward boat and fails to do so. So yellow breaks Rule 11, and blue is not restricted because she is sailing her proper course. Here again, blue starts clear astern and becomes overlapped with yellow. This time, however, blue becomes overlapped from more than 2 of her hull lengths to leeward, and so Rule 17 does not apply. Yellow, as a windward boat, must still keep clear under Rule 11. In this diagram, blue does not become overlapped from clear astern. Blue becomes overlapped during attack, and because of this, blue is not limited by Rule 17, and yellow, as usual as a windward boat, must keep clear under Rule 11. Finally, blue here tacks, and whilst she is tacking, yellow gains an overlap from clear astern within 2 of her hull lengths to leeward. However, as blue was required to keep clear by Rule 13 while tacking, at the time the overlap was established, yellow is not limited by Rule 17 to sail her proper course, and so at any time may luff, and blue must keep clear as the windward boat under Rule 11. As usual, to go alongside this presentation, there's a fact sheet with all the diagrams and explanations in, and a quiz for you to check your knowledge.